feels like anything that I'm trying to do is going all wrong. Like as though the whole universe is conspiring to tell me that I'm walking down the wrong road. And that frustrates me so much because I have this vision of what I'm supposed to be doing and how it's supposed to go, and nothing is lining up with that. And when I'm not attached to my outcome, I'm totally cool with it. I'm like little Zen Buddha, like moving through. Oh, it means that I'm supposed to be going down a different path and a different timetable. But like right now, I don't feel like little Zen Buddha. I feel completely annoyed because I have attachment to what I want to do and how it's going to go and what's going to, all the things, right? And so I just want to name that. Like, so sometimes it is very difficult when we're having a moment about what we think we need to be doing. Right? We have this vision, this plan, and we're just trying to execute it. And I see this a lot when people are trying to get organized because they'll be trying something over and over again. It feels like it's just not going well. And in these moments, I just want to say, stop. Stop. If things are not going well, if every single time you start to take a step, something hits you, or you trip, or you fall, or something negative happens, maybe take a hint. Stop. Take a breath. Look around you, try to get grounded. What is really going on here? Are you being redirected? Are you being told to stop and take a breath? Like there is like a divine current that goes through our planet and through our bodies, and we're a part of it. And so when things are out of flow, that's generally a pretty big sign that we need to stop and reroute. And sometimes the reroute might just look like taking a breath. Or it might look like just being present to what is, just owning and being present to what is, allowing the frustration, allowing the annoyance, allowing the anger, whatever is present, to just be there. So take a second and I want you to think about your life. Is there something that you are trying to do right now that is just not going well, that is creating that kind of intensity and anger and frustration? Can you stop? Can you let go of your outcome? The vision that you have, can you just let go for a second and instead take a couple nice deep breaths? I'll do it with you because I need it today. And can you say to something bigger than yourself, what is the best next step for me? What is the next right action? What is the next right action? And wait until you hear it. Take some more breaths, wait till you hear it. And then when you hear that, then take action. Because the danger comes in us behaving or taking action when we're in a negative state, right? If I needed to really do the thing, I would do it. Can I wait 3 minutes until I calm down? Yeah. Is it gonna go better? Yeah, it's gonna go better. So just take a second, let go of how you think it's supposed to go. Be present to what is, come home within yourself, and then look out for the next right action. Then take action, because I promise you, when you do that, everything gets easier. What we're looking for is alignment with the flow, you in the flow of your body and your energy and the universe and this planet and the other beings around you. There is a path that goes much more flowy and easefully and joyous. And when you're on the path that seems bumpy, take the hint. Take the hint and get off the path. Allow yourself to start fresh in a new way. You deserve that. Let me tell you, the rest of the world deserves that. Nobody needs the kind of chaos that I bring out when I'm in an angry, agitated state, right? So we cannot solve a problem from the energy of that problem. So when you are feeling that agitation and that frustration, stop, take a breath, look around and say, what is the next right action? And maybe the next right action is like doing something completely different. Maybe it's not continuing on the path that you were. Maybe it is. Maybe you're just going to pick up and take it in a new cadence. But whatever it is, take a moment to stop, pause, take a breath, and then move forward, right? You taking time to really make how you feel important and the kindness within yourself important will make everything that you do from there better. In The Prophet by Khalil Gibran, there's this, I'm going to paraphrase and just butcher it, but he basically talks about how, you know, when you are crushing grapes, when you're making wine, if you do it with anger, you're distilling a poison into the grapes. And it's the same thing with everything we do in our daily lives. So take the second to realign yourself into the positive flow. Allow yourself to get back to your essential nature, which is good and love and truth and kindness. And then take action. Then you've got that power. Then you've got that vision and focus and clarity and intensity that is required to do the things that we're here to do with intention and love and power. So take a second, take a deep breath. It has been very nice to just share this with you because I think I needed to share it with someone. So thanks for being here with me. I hope this helps you when you're having a moment, because it doesn't have to be difficult. I promise. It does not have to be difficult.